how to get a refund from Discovery Plus after error. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your discoveryplus.com and make sure that you're logged into your account just like this, right? So after successfully making sure that you're logged into your account here, now what you're going to do is get to the customer service. So simply tap on contact us on the settings option that you'll be able to see, or else you can actually get into their discoveryplus.com and you can simply tap on help option right here and get into their help just like this too. So when you do get into the help, you'll actually need to select your exact issue regarding your billing and subscription, right? So what you're going to do is simply search for your billing and subscription option right here. Then you can tap on view all, and in here what you're going to do is simply try to contact them. You can actually tap on the option contact us right now, right here too, and then from there you can actually try to like call them or email them, or you can even like send a Facebook message to them too. Simply provide your account details and description of the error in order to claim your refund. After 1 or 2 business days, I'm pretty sure that you will actually be able to get your refund back.